and like, okay, I could use credit to buy property and then I can rent that property out, right? Rent the property out, and now I get passive income, and you do enough of that, now you can leave your 9 to 5. And so that's what it all clicked. Like, okay, so these people out here that got all this stuff, multiple properties, big boats and cars and own a lake and all that stuff. And it's like they're not actually going to work every day, working hard 12, 16 hours a week like we are, right? So when you think about it, how do these people afford this stuff? Some of them have business and some are renting something, right? They have properties that they rent out. It may be commercial, it may be residential, who knows? But they're renting something. They have that passive income coming in every single month. And so once I learned that game, once I learned how to master that, that's what freed me up from the 9 to 5. And that's all it is. Like people say secret is really no secret, right? That I mean that is the secret. Once you get your credit straight and now you can invest into assets that create passive income for yourself,